Hello everyone. Hello ICHAS, the third International Conference on Applied Science and Technology 2020. Okay, today I will present my research with title Vehicle Classification and Violation Detection on Traffic Light Area using blob and mean shift tracking method. My name is Muhammad Mabed Bahtiar and my team is Ahmad Rahmat Mawardi and Adnan Rahmat Anambasari. We from Politeknik Elektronika Negeri Surabaya, Surabaya, Indonesia. Why we develop this research or why develop this project? The first, obeying traffic rules is a requirement for every driver. Obeying traffic. Number two, disobedience to traffic sign. Disobedience. Okay. Purpose. I want develop this project uh, for the first, vehicle detection and route violation detection. Number two, no traffic violation. Number three, avoid accident on the road. Okay, my design system process. The first, video frame. Video frame inputs come from CCTV camera, which are divided into three times, namely morning, night, and noon. This is night, this is morning, this is noon. And second process is threshold, third process is contour, fourth process is convex hull, and the last blob. The first process, image subtraction. Uh, we capture image from video from CCTV camera and we convert to grayscale image. Image subtraction is used for detect moving object. In this research is to see change from frames or subtract from frames that have been at Gaussian blur. So we get foreground moving object only. The result obtained is grayscale because of the two frame operands has gone through the grayscale process before. Second process, grayscale to binary threshold, from grayscale image to binary threshold. After the image subtraction process, the next process is the threshold. The value range is 0 to 255. The video is given the same threshold, that is 30 and 225. The number explains that the lower limit of color is 30 and a maximum of 225. If more than that, it will not be considered. Next process is binary threshold to contour. This is binary image. This is contour process. In this process, the image of the threshold result will be formed again to make it more dense by adding morphology operation through dilation and erosion. My array is 3, 5 multiple 5 or 7 multiple 7. Next process is convex hull to blob. This is convex hull process and this is blob process. The use of convex hull operation here is to form an image so that no part is separated from a contour. Blob is binary large object. Is a process used to form objects that have the same value, because blob only process the result contours. Then objects that have the same contour will be put together. And to determine how much the size of the vehicle can be determined by the user using a slider by increase the lowest limit for motorbikes and the lowest limit for cars. MinShift object tracking. This is object tracking for 5 frame 1, frame 5. This is step the detected blob must be tracked so that when a collision occurs, it does not reduce the level of accuracy. The tracking phase will predict the position of the blob center using the MinShift method. By looking at the blob center value up to 5 previous frame and then looking for the total value change x, y in the video frame. Vehicle classification. This box is car, and this box is motor. This is car. In this paper, classification will be classified by two kinds of vehicle, that is motorcycle and car. By using blob feature by the size for classify the vehicle, ROI will be need. That box is the result of vehicle detection. Violation detection. This is boundary marker for traffic light. This tag will identify every change in the path. But from observation made in order to get the most appropriate data, then mark violation will be counted as hull or all vehicle parts have crossed the line. Result of vehicle detection. Percentage of average vehicle detection is 85%. This is car. This is motorcycle. And this is night mode. And this is morning mode. And this noon mode. And next result of vehicle detection for car is 71% detection. Total for night, morning, and noon. And percentage average for motor detected 79%. In total for night, morning, and day. Result of vehicle violation. This is vehicle violation. Out from border mark. The normal is this area. This area is violation. The detection of vehicle classification is lower because if several motor and car are located close to each other, then the white binary threshold result will be even greater. So it will be considered a car. If there is a motorbike and car close by, the system will recognize it as a car. The result of red traffic light violation. This is violation detected for red traffic light violation is 58%. This is for demo. You can see this demo. I will show you. This is route in the Surabaya. This is morning condition. The red box is detected for vehicle. This okay. This is detected for car. This is detected for car, and this is detected for motorcycle. This is border mark for root strike. So this position cannot turn right. Okay. Conclusion. From this research, it can be concluded that the blob method and the shift tracking algorithm can classify vehicle and get an average of 79% for motor detection and 71% for car detection. Detection vehicle only gets an average of 58%, while in the marker line. And number 3, the successful classification of vehicle types and complicate result from threshold at the beginning of the system. If the threshold is good, the vehicle will be detected properly. Okay, this is my reference. Thank you very much for ICASS 2020 International Conference on Applied Science and Technology. Bye bye.